Tonight, Ashtabula County officials are reevaluating a dangerous intersection in Austinburg Township after a 4-year-old was killed in a crash right before Christmas. Our Annabelle Childers spoke with the county engineer and a commissioner about the changes that could come soon.
Friday afternoon, just before 1 o'clock, state troopers responded to a crash here in Austinburg Township at the intersection of Clay Street and Sexton Road. Ohio State Highway Patrol says a woman driving a white SUV with a 4-year-old inside stopped at the stop sign on Sexton Road and then pulled out. That's when they were hit by a 16-year-old driver traveling straight through Clay Street, which does not have a stop sign. The two drivers were not injured, but the 4-year-old in the white SUV was. OSHP says the child was taken to a hospital, but died of their injuries there.
In my heart, I think all of our hearts go out to this poor family that has experienced this loss.
Ashtabula County Commissioner J.P. Ducrot says the county is taking a hard look at this intersection, a trouble spot they worked to address in the summer of last year after noticing repeated crashes happening.
We did some improvements at that intersection that we thought would improve safety, and initially they were successful.
The county engineer says they implemented flashing lights on the intersection stop signs, which led to a temporary drop in crashes in 2023. But this year, those crashes seem to pick back up, with 5 there over the course of 2024.
My hope is that, they'll convert this to either a 4-way stop, hopefully with the flashing signalization, which is certainly helpful at nighttime.
The county engineer says they started a traffic study this Monday on the intersection, and because of the data they've collected in the past, they should have recommendations for new safety measures soon. In the meantime, the county is extending their condolences to the family experiencing this devastating loss.
We just want them to know that our thoughts and prayers are with them, and we're here to try to do anything we can to hopefully help this being stopped from happening to anyone else in the future.
Now, the Ashtabula County Coroner says they are not releasing the identity of that 4-year-old because this investigation is ongoing. State Highway Patrol says the 4-year-old was in a car seat and they were buckled. They're still working to determine whether any charges are going to be filed in this case.
Tragic details. Annabelle Childers, thanks.